today we'll be making a travel and tour flyer design. So let me go straight ahead to bring in the design from so this is the design that we'll be replicating. This is a design by the original designer Olagunju Pelumi. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight ahead and bring in our background. So bringing in our background now. Let me see if this is it. Okay, yes. So this is what we're going to be used as as our background. So the only thing we'll just increase this so it's much more bigger. Then we want to take this to the back. So the next thing we want to do is reduce the opacity for it. Don't want it to be too pronounced. And then you want to lock it. Then bring in. We'll be using the lights, using some light effects. So let's just search for it. H1. So this will be using to do some of the blending of our background. So we'll place this here. We'll change the color. I want to pick the color from the original design. So we'll just take this cursor over to this place. And we'll have that like that. So if you want, you can use it like that. Or if you want, you can reduce the opacity. Use the opacity, then you copy it. Place it here. Copy. Place it around there. Copy. Place it around there. Copy. Place it around there. So let's lock all those light effects. Bring it to the front. So you see our background is now looking much more better. So the next thing we want to do is we bring in the model. The model here. Okay, let's go back to think downloads. Okay, so this is the model. So we'll just bring her like this. And you want to something like this. Yeah. Okay, lock her. Bring it to the front. Then we'll bring in okay. So go back to photo room. Let's see how we can make use this. So we'll just do this size. We do this. And let's choose this way. But we turn the rotation so it's not too close to our face, something like this. And if you want to increase it, then you bring in this device. You just use a kind of dummy logo. I'll make all the resources available in the description. All I want for you just to follow up. So you have this to be like this, then they say don't just dream about traveling, plan it with us. So you can decide to write the test manually, but I had saved the brief so that will not take much time. Let me just go over here. I have all the design brief here. It's not much, but I think it's better than having to manually put this all over and over. I think we might be using Poppins font. So let's pay this. Don't just dream about traveling. Cut. And I want to use the Poppins font. So let's see the Poppins bold. Don't just dream. Yes. So uh, reduce the line spacing. The color, we'll pick the color from the original design. Or if you want, you can use, maybe you pick the color from this passport. And that was what the designer did. So he was able to get the color from that passport. So don't just dream about traveling. Copy it. Plan it with us. I'll be showing you something that I think the original design that did. But the idea of being a designer is once you do it, you still have to tweak it. So we'll change the color for this, plan it with us. And for this, I feel that what the designer did is I can just choose and go straight ahead to pick the color from here. But I think it's more likely the designer picked it from this lady's shirt and maybe tweak it, or he used the original green that we had used, the original green, but probably change one or two things about it. But I wouldn't want to go deep into that. Let's just pick it from the text like this, and you have it that way. So the next thing is you want to copy this again. So we want to give this a background color, that same dark background color. Then make the color to be white. Make the color to be white. Then next thing you put there is our services. You have it that way. So now with the background, then our services, then the same thing, you can increase this to 22, copy it, then put in those other stuff there. This time around, we're still going to be using Poppins, but we use the maybe regular. I think this is better. Then the line spacing. So we have the line spacing to be like this. Well, let's make it 14. Is okay. We can reduce the size to 20. Then work on other thing, the line spacing. The line spacing is okay. So let's work on the background. And let's have this to be this way. Okay. Let's go and increase this like this. Top. I think I want to increase the size again, so it comes down this way. I think like this is okay. Bring this to the front. 10 minutes. We're almost done with our work. So the next thing is to bring in the shape. Bring in the shape like this. Gonna be like this. Then you're gonna use a gradient color. You can use this, but let me just pick from this flyer. So the part at the right is dark. Then the side at the left, you pick this one this way. So something like this. We're gonna have it like this. So we want to bring the model image to the front. Bring this to the front. Bring this to the front. So you can see now we are making progress already. So yes, take this to the front. You want have it this way. Then work on the this time work on the background. Increase the left padding. Then we also have to make right padding 20. And there you have it. So the last text we'll be using. Okay. Let's copy this. We'll remove the background. Let's put in the text first. So we're gonna make it black. So in black. So the font. Let's see. And this is okay. So we want to push it this way like this. Then we bring in so we have this to be like this. And reduce it. Reduce it, then you copy it. Reduce it, then let's bring this down here. So our design is now getting shape, as you can see. We're almost done with everything. So have it like this. So I think you still want to increase the size of this. So what you will do now, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do. We'll mark this tree. I want to align it to the center. Beautiful. So we're almost done with everything. Just one more thing to bring. Just one more thing. Does this. So does this thing. So reduce it and make it very, very small. So let's So you have this like this. All you have to do is just. Alright, so I had to pause it to put all the check marks. So as you can see now, we are done with our work. So this will still push this like this. Then still work on the background. Increase the left background. And so with that, we've come to the end of the tutorial. So now you can go ahead and delete this. So this is our design. You save as a project, then save as image. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in another video.